Hello everybody, my name is Shay. I am a full-time reseller and I'm going to be pulling some sales. It's Saturday afternoon and I'm just going to pull sales while I have time. That way I don't have as much to pull on Sunday night. The first thing to sell is this Orvis plaid jacket. I've had this for a little bit. This was from my first ever bins haul on this channel and it sold for $30 plus shipping. It just took a little bit, but it's such a nice piece and glad somebody got it for a deal. I feel like most Harley-Davidson items do well. The Plush definitely does not. I mean, I'm sure there are exceptions. The ones that I have not done well. So this little pig plush sold for $4 plus shipping. So the buyer is like $10 all in. Here is the banger of the video. This is another one of those Zuri Kenya dresses. This is in a size 1XL. I got this at Style Encore for $12 and it just sold for $145 plus shipping. So the buyer's like $160 all in. I do have another two sitting over there that need the sensors taken off. So otherwise those would probably have sold too, but I cannot wait to get those listed so I can make some more really good profits on these. This Boston proper top sold for $10 plus shipping. I just went ahead and took the very first offer. I have listed this for probably 2 weeks and yeah, it sold for $10 plus shipping. I did get that one for free as well. I have not picked up bras in a while and this is why. I have had these listed for a long time. They're just Warners, a lot of two. I think they're 34C, so that's probably why they haven't sold because they're just a normal size. They sold for $9 plus shipping, so the buyer is like $13 or $14 all in. I had this Badgley Mishka gown sell for $20 on Poshmark. It does have quite a few flaws. It is from a thread-up fabric box, so it sat in my death pile for forever. I just recently listed it, and yeah. I didn't get any interest really. It's been listed a couple months, so when the $20 offer came in, I just went ahead and took it. And the last thing to sell on Poshmark for right now are these bear paw boots. Boots are starting to sell. I am getting all of my shoes listed. They sold for $55 and I did receive these for free. Alrighty, it is now Monday morning and I am pulling the rest of my shipping. So we're going to start with Poshmark because I only have 2 sales on Poshmark. Are these Jack Rogers little jelly sandals. These sold for $20. I think I paid $10, so I'm making a $6 profit. But at least they sold before winter. And since the Hawkeyes won the Iowa State game, this did also sell. Tailgate Gear in general is selling, but my Hawkeye stuff is definitely selling better. This Chicos long striped top sold super fast. It's in a size 2, which I'm pretty sure I think is a size large or extra large. It sold for $17 plus shipping, and I'm really blanking on where this is from. I know it's very recent, but no idea. This Pendleton set that I got at the bins sold on eBay for $16 plus shipping. I was happy to get that offer. I kind of regretted getting this little set, but since vintage Pendleton does not do very well, but it did end up selling in 6 months or less. I don't know, but in probably $2 on that. I sold this tractor in the winter John Deere garden flag for $12 plus shipping, so the buyer's $18 all in. This is paid for already. I am not picking up stuff like this anymore, but glad to see it go. These Corkies boots I think are so cute. However, they did not get very much interest at all. So when the $30 offer came in, I just went ahead and took it. It pains me to send them out for that much, but I'm moving things. But this sale eases the pain because I have these set of 2 Donna Sharp. I've never heard of that brand, but pretty sought after. Her stuff sells for a lot, and these are just 2 pillow shams. They are new with tags. I did get these for free, and they sold for $50 plus shipping. I sold these J slides. They are in beautiful shape. I don't think they've ever been worn. I got them for free, and just a note with J slides, they retail for a lot. They do not resell. Hardly at all. So these sold for $17 plus shipping. So the buyer was $25 all in. So just note to self, if you want to get yourself some J slides, you can get really good deals online and not have to pay that insane $128 price tag. And the last thing I'm going to pull today is this Kate Quinn little velour bodysuit. I think it's in a size 2T. Did have some staining. I did still sell it for $7 plus shipping. So the buyer's $12 all in. I am losing some money on this as I did buy it for personal use, but I spent $10 on it when I bought it new and sold it for $7, and we did get some wear out of it. So overall happy with that. Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday afternoon and I'm quick pulling shipping. We don't have that much to ship out, which is like meh, but I do have about an hour till I have to take my child to a doctor's appointment, so let's get started. The first thing to sell is this Risen pair of jeans. Risen is like an up-and-coming brand that they sell at boutiques, kind of like Judy Blue, kind of like Can. They're all stretchy, really nice trendy styles. These were mine that I got on Black Friday from a boutique, and I think I only paid $20 for them, so I sold them for $20 plus shipping, so I'm probably losing a few dollars on these, but I did wear them. The next thing to sell were these UGG sparkly slippers. These were free to me, and they sold for $27 plus shipping. They're in pretty clean condition, but they aren't perfect, so I was overall pretty happy with that. This was a mistake buy, and this is what I just recently hauled in my swap meet with me video, but I got these for $2 at a garage sale. They ended up having a tear right near the zipper. I listed them for $10, noting that they needed a patch, and someone came in and offered me $9 plus shipping, so the buyer is around $18 all in on these, so super happy to sell them. I could have gotten probably 25 to 30 for them plus shipping without the flaw, but it's all good. This mannequin head has been staring at me through clear containers for a long time in my death pile, and I decided to pull it out and list it the other day. It literally took one day to sell. It sold for $22 plus shipping, and this is like a real human hair mannequin head for people that are in beauty school. I did receive this for free. This is another brand that the farmers like to wear. This is called Twisted X. They're just like, they're not super appealing to me. Maybe they're comfortable. I don't know, but people want to hang on to these. I find them all the time, but they're always priced so high. So retail is actually probably pretty high on these, probably around 80 bucks to $100. I don't know. But they sold for $33 plus shipping, and I did pay $7 for these at a garage sale. Then only a few items sold on Poshmark. So these Sanuk booties, they normally make like flats, but these are like winter shoes. I received these for free and they sold on Poshmark for $32. And then I had this really nice Coach bag from my auction buyout. If you're looking for nice Coach, please send me an offer. These have not been getting very much interest, and maybe it's because I priced them too high. So as I price drop, I will most likely get more traction on this, but I think this was listed for $150. I sent them a $125 offer with discounted shipping. They came back at $95 and I just went ahead and took it. So not as big of a profit as I wanted, but I did make $76. Good evening, everybody. It is Sunday night and I'm pulling my Monday shipping just so I don't have to pull it tomorrow morning. I have kind of a hectic day planned. Very excited to share it with you. But first, let's go through the shipping. So the first thing to sell was this Hours top. The brand is Hours, like an hour. I think it's a Revolve brand. It doesn't have a very good resale value. I got it in a ThredUp 200-pound rescue box, so I'm less than $1 in, and it sold for $14 plus shipping. My next item are these Corral boots. Corral is a great brand. It is sold at, Boot Barn, Buckle, all kinds of things. These had quite a bit of wear on the bottom, so I did accept a $50 offer plus shipping, and I paid $20. I got these Madewell camo pants in a ThredUp 200-pound mystery box, I believe. So I'm less than $1 in, and they sold for $15 plus shipping. I have had this Starbucks cup forever. I believe it's like spring of 2020. I've probably had it for a year and a half. It just sold for $12 plus $9 shipping. So yeah, I think I paid probably around $1 for it. I have also had these Joe's jeans. They're a black boot cut, size 32, so they're a great size, but I've had them forever. They finally sold on an offer for $15 plus shipping, and I think I paid probably $2 for them at the infamous Style Encore 90% off sale. This really cute Lineier by something, Louis Del Olo or something like that. This is a QVC brand, and it sold for $20 plus shipping. I did pay around $3 for it, and it is a size 3XL. The next item to sell is this Onyx Night. They're like layered, really flowy, wide leg black pants. These are Y2K style. They're definitely vintage. They're a size 12, I believe, and they sold for my full asking price of $25 plus shipping, and I got them for free. This is gonna be the banger of the video, I bet. This is a Yeti. I had no idea what I had. I just knew it was Yeti, and for like, I think I paid like $1 or maybe $2.50. I cannot remember for this at a church garage sale. This was hauled very, very recently. Oh my goodness. It is worth hundreds. So people have these listed for over $200. It didn't seem like they were selling for that much, so I listed mine at $175 and I took a $140 plus shipping offer and they paid, so I'm going to ship her out this like, I hate this camo print that they made, but it is highly sought after and glad that I found that out. So I got this in an auction lot, this set of silverware. They're not silver or anything, they're just stainless, I believe, but they are vintage. And I bid on this person's like whole silverware drawer, so I picked out a few pieces for myself. And my mom got a few pieces, I donated the rest, and I also sold these for $25 plus shipping. So overall, got some free stuff and profited. This is a homegrown hippie flannel. This is just a boutique brand. This came out of my personal closet. It's a size 2XL and it sold for $10 plus shipping, so not a lot, but I did get some wear out of it. This sale is hot off the presses. I literally just accepted the offer, but this is Good Guys Don't Wear Leather, I'm pretty sure is the brand. I got this at a consignment store. I can't remember how much I paid for it. These have been listed since February, but I just accepted a $131 offer on Poshmark, so very happy with that. Somebody on Poshmark got an awesome deal on this Carter's snow pants and coat set for little boys. This was a little boy size 7. It sold for $21 with discounted shipping, so I made $16 and something, and I did get this from the bins. Happy to provide some great items for kids for the winter. I sold these size 11 Born shoes. I don't sell Born very fast, but they do eventually sell, so I always pick them up because they're always super cheap and they're in great condition. So why not? They're a great leather shoe, and anyway, this sale was pretty good. These are those Ombre Under Armour size large women's snow pants that I got at a garage sale. I think I paid $10 or $15 for these, and they sold for $52 on Poshmark. And the last item that I'm going to show you is this Neiman Marcus half zip women's golf top. I think it's in a size large. It sold for $16 on Poshmark and I did receive it for free. And these are the items that I sell to make a full-time living on eBay and Poshmark. If you like me, if you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I'll catch you in the next one.